Greetings everyone, my name is Alan Jack Soriano. So here's a vet clinic system where we could address all of the information of the owner that you wants to admit to the clinic, which is his pet. So for other information such as input data and other function of the system, I will have Yasi.
So, hello, I am Yasi Gayle Cogalang. Mag-i-input po tayo ng data dito sa ating systems. So, input data, just owner name, Royd, email, royd@gmail.com, just mobile number, 45-200-6124. Tapos address, sa Macab Este, Cabanatuan City. Sa pet, lagay natin is dog. Tapos pet name, Hershey. Tapos pet gender is female. The symptoms niya is sneezing. Ayan po, makikita po natin sa index is nandyan po lahat na mga in-input natin data.
My name is Tristan Mel M. Casulucan. And sa pagdi-delete naman po, pwede po tayo mag-delete ng account. So, i-delete natin is yung number 1 is Maria Mercedes. So, ayan na, delete na po.
Hi, my name is Tamher Esnawe. Makikita po natin sa actions which is yung edit. Pwede tayo mag-edit ng account. So, dito po. Sa symptoms, mali spelling, so pwede natin ibahin na sneezing. Ito, pwede din po natin ibahin to, like nagkamali ng pet, which is cat. Tapos nagkamali po ng isang number. And nagkamali po ng name. And submit. So, yun lamang po ang aming system na Vet Clinic System. Thank you for watching.